Good afternoon. You are Aruzhan Ibrahimova, right?
Hello, Aruzhan kızı. Yes, it's me.
So what's bothering you?
I've been having a weird itch in my vulva. There's also been kind of a burning while going to the toilet.
Have you gone through the blood and urine test?
Yes, I have. Here are the results. I sent you them via WhatsApp.
I've noticed something odd. Have you been sexually active? How old are you again?
I'm 16 years old.
Have you been using some contraceptives?
Now, I'm infertile. I have blockages and adhesions that interfere in the normal role of the ovaries and fallopian tube.
Is this what your district doctor said?
Yes, and I've also read it on NCBI, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, according to the urine analysis, there is a chlamydia trachomatis present in your urine, which means that you have chlamydia, which is a bacterial venereal infection, which is transmitted sexually. And the reason why you have chlamydia is because of your unprotected vaginal intercourse, and it can pass through the infected genital fluids. In your case, it is sperm. And however, you can get chlamydia even if your partner doesn't experience orgasm, and as his genital mucus is also infected.
What? Oh my god, how is this possible? I never knew that the infertile could get infected by any means.
Yes, they can. Don't worry, over 50% of all chlamydia infection cases were found among teenagers 15 to 24 years old, so you're not alone. Let me explain. Chlamydia is a little group of obligate intracellular parasites of eukaryotic cells. They are unable to transmit energy by themselves, so they're fully dependent on the host cell, and it is ATP. So in your epithelial cells in lines of endometrium, urethra, or vagina, chlamydia is inside of this cell. White blood cells come to defeat the bacterium, then they notice the chlamydia in the host cell, and they tend to target the cell. And this process is, by the way, called the apoptosis. However, there normally must not be a high quantity of the white blood cells in the urinary or genital tract.
So that's what's caused my inflammation.
Yes, the burning sensation when you urinate is called dysuria.
Are they already dangerous in the genital fluid?
Well, actually, no. They develop and multiply in the epithelial cell already. So they are pathogenic. They have RNA and a DNA. So chlamydia can spread through the fallopian tubes and over all your uterus.
Is there any possible cure?
Certainly, but are you allergic to any medications or antibiotics?
No, I believe I am not.
Well, in case of pregnancy, women usually take azithromycin. There's also an antibiotic erythromycin, which readily forms the salts and acids, so it's microbiologically active and can help rebuild your microflora. However, I'm going to prescribe you doxycycline. Take it twice a day in a dose of 100 milligrams with water, and take the antibiotic after the meal.
Oh, I've heard of it. Doxycycline, when consumed, is a medicine which works against the chlamydia cells because it enters the chlamydia cells, blocking all the production of the proteins, which prevents the further formation of the bacterial infection. I also searched up the statistics, which shows that 95% of all chlamydia cases, this particular type of the antibiotics help this treatment.
Yes, it can improve your social sexual well-being. However, consuming doxycycline when suffering from chlamydia can have its own drawbacks and side effects. For example, according to the study of Saho et al. In 2022, there is a high resistance rate to doxycycline after consumed repeatedly, about 82 to 86%. Antibiotic resistance is the ineffectiveness of the antibiotics towards the bacteria as the bacteria change and evolve in terms of becoming untouchable to the medicine.
Oh, will I not have the resistance already?
Have you ever taken it before?
No, I haven't.
As it is your first time, you will not. Despite all of the alternatives, doxycycline is the best antibiotic for the treatment of chlamydia in young adults.
What are the side effects, by the way?
The common side effects include headaches, nausea, and the skin being sensitive to the sunlight. And approximately 10% of all consumers undergo these. However, if you don't have any serious chronic diseases, you might not even encounter them. Make sure to take it according to the prescriptions and follow all of the instructions of the medicine. And if you have any side effects or allergy reactions, immediately contact me to this phone number in WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you, Aruzhan kızı. I'll follow your advice. Next time I will use condoms before the end of course. Goodbye. Thank you for everything.